Here I've got Sony SmartWatch 2 and let me show you how to reset the following device. At first unlock it, so just swipe up to do it, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and then under support you will notice Reset Smartwatch, so just click on it. Here, as you can see, this reset will clear all the data on your device, and you have to confirm that you want to do it, that you truly want to wipe all data from your Sony device, and click on OK. Now you have to give your device a while to do it, to wipe all the data. And that's it. Now you can pair it with your device, with your smartphone, or you can leave it as it is, just by itself. And now you can set it up from the scratch, the wallpaper, smart face, and all the other. So thank you for watching, enjoy, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.